Hey everyone! Today, we tested SmartNoter AI to see whether it's truly a study superpower or just another subscription trap. This tool promises automated note making, flashcards, summaries, and even AI tutoring. We use it for academic articles, nursing lectures, and online courses, and honestly, it saved hours of manual note taking. The AI extracts key ideas, turns them into organized summaries, and even builds review questions that we could use for active recall. The accuracy heavily depends on the clarity of the uploaded material. If our PDFs were messy or had diagrams, SmartNoter struggled. The subscription pricing isn't cheap either. It feels fine for medical students or professionals, but tough for high schoolers or casual learners. And while it helps us study faster, it can also make us passive learners if we rely entirely on the AI. So should we buy it? If we're drowning in chapters, PowerPoints, and deadlines, yes, it's worth trying. But if we enjoy handwriting notes or want budget-friendly tools, free apps like Obsidian or Notion templates might be better. SmartNoter is powerful, but only if we stay actively involved and don't let the AI think for us. This has been How to Learn to Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.